Today we'll be talking about how to disassemble your oraimo FreePods 2 Baba edition. This one was this is an AirPod that was given to us by a customer. So we'll be working on it today. You can see that it's not turning on. So we'll be disassembling it. We'll disassemble it so that we can look into the case and know what the issue is. So the first step is to take out the pods. Quite having trouble with that one. When you take out the pods, take an implement like this that is flat. Find the seams. Let me bring more light so that you can see. Find the seams and try to, wedge it down there until it's in. When it's in, trace around. Don't push, don't use force, just slightly use force and to come off. Do you see that? Easy. And it's off. Once it's off, take this part, the cover, keep the cover aside. Now let's focus on this. This is the insides. Of course it has been opened before. This is just to show you how to do it properly for those who are having or finding trouble with opening it up. So after that, we would want to, this is what we are focused on, so you have to safely remove it. You will need a screwdriver like this one. Take the screwdriver, take off the nuts, when you're done, carefully take out the board. So that is how to perfectly do it. We've disassembled your case. Follow for more.